A clash of titans awaits. WWE Deep Voice. Unrivaled power emerge. Tactical might steps forward. Taking down the base. Destroying the opponent's stance. Taking down the base. Destroying the opponent's stance. Overwhelming rhythm. Dominating the pace. Well-timed counter. A counter-attack at just the right moment. The Superman Lion leads with aggression. A powerful straight, then a side attack. Back with force.
A crisp combo connecting.
Superman Lion holds its ground. A solid hook from the Superman Lion. Batman Wolf aims for the base. Disrupting the balance. Tactical. Superman Lion's resilience shines. Brute force behind those fists.
What a furious exchange!
End of the round. Absolute gladiators. Aerial dominance. Unbelievable strength. It's over. A dominant and historic victory. This is legacy.